Done, 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 that'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, 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 done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me, oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a space to play. You could pick your time and a place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work. It's me out there, work, 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 work. You see me do it, da, 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 da. Tell me about that, wow, 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 wow. When you walk out,
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack from my store. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remix it for low. She my track queen, let her hit the window. We be coming up, watch how far them bands go. We just set a goal, talking about your Lambos. 56 a gram, mama, 100 grams though. Man, I swear I love her, how she with the Lambo. Hit the strip club, we be letting the bands go. Everybody hate on me, just call the fans though. And love with the money, I ain't never letting go. And like it high, baby, baby, I just love the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And like it rock with my baby, baby. I be in the kitchen, cooking pies with my baby, yeah. And like it rock with my baby, I just love the mall, I'm getting fly with my baby, yeah. And like it rock with my baby, I be in the kitchen, cooking pies with my baby. I never stop on my track quick, cause all we know is biz, I just might snatch a Ferrari. And by my full lamb, I just might snatch a ridiculous, drop a couple on the way. She ain't willing for nothing because I got her everything is fixed. So up on the band, though, remind me where I can go. When they put up the stand,
Alicia Jones, and in today's video we are installing Freetress Shirley curl, and I purchased 3 packs at $9.99 a pack. And let me show y'all how much hair I have left. So this is how much hair I have left, and then this is the first bundle. Each pack comes with 3 bundles, which is why it says 3X on the package. I got them in the color number 2. This is how much I have left of that first bundle, so I got 2 bundles left. I did trim the hair. I pulled the hair apart because I originally only bought 2, and then I started running out of hair, so I had to go back to the beauty supply today. But this is what the ends look like. They were a little bit more frizzier than what they look like right now, and to fix that, what I just did, I haven't went in and put mousse on my crochet hair after install in years, but this time I did. Now this is a different kind of Vigorol mousse. This is the one, it's got a super hold and it's for curls. So this is the red one. The pink one is for relaxed hair. The green one is the olive oil one, and then I forgot what the blue one is because I haven't used the blue one in a minute. But so yeah, that's this one. They all smell the same to me. I've used the blue one, the green one, and now the red one. I probably won't be getting the pink one for obvious reasons, you know, no relaxed hair. So but yeah, the install was pretty easy. It was simple. Some parts was annoying pulling the hair apart, because I did get some tangles here and there, but other than that, it was super simple. The hair is soft, but it's not like really soft. It does have that natural feel. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for the review. I might cut this some more because y'all, it's hot as hell in the STL. But yeah, oh, I just rhymed right there. But yeah, you guys, I will see y'all in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the install. If you got any questions about the install, please don't hesitate to ask me. Leave them below. Some people hit me up on Instagram and they ask me questions, so that's fine too. I like chatting with you guys. But I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and check out my other crochet installs and my other crochet reviews. I have quite the playlist. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.
I just been